Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable the integrated terminal inside your VS Code. So integrated terminal, you can access it either by going to the view menu and simply selecting at the bottom side. You will see this option of terminal. Just selecting it, and now you can access your integrated terminal and execute any command right here. So you can see that. So this is the first way by which we can do this. There is this, or you can even go to command palette, Control Shift P, and just typing here terminal, open new external terminal. So then also it will open your new terminal as well. This is a second way. But there's a one other handy way by which you can pin this option. In my case, you will see at the status bar, I basically have this option available of terminal. I can toggle this option by, because majority of the time you do need the terminal. So there is an extension here you can install. Just go to the extensions and just type here bottom terminal. So what this extension does, it actually pins the option to access your terminal directly in the status bar. So just install this extension. So it basically pins this option on the status bar. So this makes it very much easy to actually open your terminal. So it will add this option right here, terminal. So once you click this option, you can access your terminal very easily in VS Code. So you can install this extension. It's used by almost 10,000 developers, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.